Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's June 22nd, Friday morning, and we still have a battle of economic macro influences and weather. And the weather seems to be winning the tug of war here this morning. We've got clear skies throughout the Midwest. A shower that came through yesterday. Traders are talking about how small of an area it covered, and with light amounts. Early indications that it was anywhere from a couple hundredths to almost an inch over in northwestern Ohio. So that is behind us now, but the forecast here looking forward, we've got a chance of rain on Sunday night, Monday. Commodity Weather Service is saying that there's only about a 20% chance of coverage there, so that is providing some support. The U.S. Weather Service has put a little more heat back in the forecast, taken out some of the rain, so and that shifts around day to day, so it's definitely keeping this market on edge, and it tells us that we are definitely in a weather market where we've got little changes seem to have a big impact on futures. Yesterday, we did have a downgrade by Moody's of several large banks like Goldman, J.P. Morgan, Citigroup, Credit Suisse, to name a few. And they cited the risk and volatility in the derivatives markets as their reason for downgrade. So we'll have to see how that plays out here in the future. We did see lowering of basis by processors in Central Illinois, down 18 cents at one processor, down 20 at another. And they are talking about shutting down for maintenance, which they typically do on every year. And because of the tightness in supply of corn, they're shutting down, or talking about shutting down a little bit earlier. So that's caused some pressure in the nearby July contract. We did see a large open interest drop yesterday in corn, about 18,000 contracts, while soybeans actually were a bit higher on total open interest. The report that we've got coming next week, I think, is extremely critical and is going to continue to build volatility premium in the options. So there's something to monitor there. If you feel like you need to be positioned a certain way, it might be the best to position yourself early rather than waiting to right before the report, when the volatility levels will certainly be the highest. We have the cattle on feed report out this afternoon. Trade is looking for 100.6 on feed, an average of 113 to 113.5 on placements, and then marketing is at 105%. And mainly the increases there are, some of it is coming from the extra work day that we had this last month and during the month of May. That gives us some of these increase in percentages, but we also feel like the dry pasture conditions have certainly caused some cattle to go to the feedlot early. And talking to feedlot managers here in the last couple days, they're seeing a significant amount of cattle. Now the question is, will those numbers show up in the May report, or will they come in the increases in the June report? So we'll have to see what the USDA gives us here this afternoon at 2 o'clock on that. Cattle, or beef prices, down slightly, down 77 cents on choice. Select down 23. Cash cattle should trade today. There's still a standoff there. Bids are somewhere in that 116 to 118 range. Offers 120 to 122. The pork continues to strengthen. We had cutout values there up 144. Good demand from export circles as well as domestically, and the tight pork supplies, or live hog supplies, is also providing support to that product as we go into a time period where cookout is a good demand portion of this pricing, and therefore seeing some strong hog prices. And the thing that we've got to remember when we're looking at the futures, however, they are extremely overbought. Don't be surprised if we get setbacks in here just because of the extreme overbought situation in that complex. So a lot of things going on. Again, stay in touch with Allendale's research. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We've got the webinar coming up next Tuesday, 26th, 8 p.m. Get signed up for that. We've still got a few places left that you can log in and be online as we discuss weather with Drew Lerner and markets with Rich Nelson. So get involved and get signed up for that. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.